Okay.
So,
you know what I hate? The hiccups.
the hiccups.
Ugh. You know why I hate the hiccups? Because it's like your mouth is freaking, or your innerness is having a freaking spasm, and you're the one to suffer. It sucks.
She has the hiccups.
It sucks, and I hate it, and I want them to go away. But my body hates me and gives me the hiccups. Shut up. Oh.
That's a fake one.
I can't help that I have breathing issues.
She has breathing issues.
Wait for
Right
it.
here.
Wait for it.
Wait for it. Wait for it. And I'll zoom in. Zoom in. Wait for it. Wait for it. Pressure. Hiccup. Hiccup.
I hope this made it stop.
Maybe you did.
Hang on. It'll come. I'm feeling it.
Is that a real one?
Yeah, except I like tried to make the noise to go along with it, but it was just air. I'll try again. Oh man! I lost it.
She has the hiccups. I don't. I'm good. I just have a cough. I'm good though. I think she's gonna hiccup. Maybe not. Anyways, we both hate hiccups. Actually, I think they're kind of fun until when you hiccup a lot, and then it starts to like hurt your abs. Because I don't have any abs.
That's what happened to me. It's happening to me.
Oh my gosh! Oh my god!
Except
What are we gonna do?
I think I have abs, but they're under my flabs.
Abs under the
Legit.
flabs. Legit. I have a two-pack. Two from laughing.
I have one of those. It's called my rib cage.
Nice. Yeah, it's pretty great. You know, gets the guys.
I don't have one.
It's okay.
I hate the hiccups.
We're working on it. Hiccups suck,
But they seem to
maybe
have gone
they
away.
work your abs. You know, maybe
They
hiccups
do.
give you abs. Laughing gives you
wish.
abs.
I know. I
Laughing
like
is
laughing.
Good. It makes you laugh.
Laughing, we're good at that.
We are good at laughing.
See if we can't keep a straight face.
Ready? Hey, this is good.
Wait, ready? If you look at yourself in the video, it's so much easier.
I know.
Just kidding.
And if you look at each other. No.
We really got it, but look at
It's
ourselves.
okay.
Wait, hang on. Just kidding. You can't see you then. Okay. It's so loud.
Oh my gosh. It's
You
it's
like
1 in the morning.
Erranggs.
Errangs, girl,
Oh,
girl,
snap.
hold my earrings. Look, I have
snap.
rainbow socks.
That
Do you
means
see
it's
them?
getting
Do you-
serious.
Oh, wait,
Oh,
this way.
look, I have rainbow socks too.
No,
Can
you
you see
don't.
them? Can you see them?
This is my foot.
I can too.
Those are her feet.
No,
Yeah.
these feet right here, they're on her side. They're her feet. It does look like your
I'm
feet.
good, don't worry. Well, it does, except this is my feet.
No, those are my
Oh,
feet.
where's my other foot there?
See, look at that. That's definitely my feet.
Anyways,
My
it's 1 in the morning, so we're a little
are
bit tired,
gone,
and
I am happy because. Oh no!
oh, girl.
My Errangg.
Her earrings. Oh no.
It's getting serious up in her.
It's getting serious.
Yeah, put my
It's serious.
Yeah, so I've been watching Zoe 101 a lot lately. You remember that
Oh
girl,
my God.
Stacy?
Stacy.
I like to play with
the
the
Q-tips.
Q-tips. And sassafras. Just sassafras.
I wish I had a lisp. I think
too.
I would have more friends if I had a lisp.
Have you know Hannah?
Hannah.
Yeah.
Den.
No. Yeah.
No, I do
Anyway, you know Hannaford?
Yep.
Yeah, well, she
With the toe exercises.
talks with a very good
I know.
It's
I've
so
heard her
crazy.
talking lisp.
She's so funny.
Lisp. are the best. Short speech impediments and accents.
I
What if you had a British?
I wish I could talk in a British accent. You know how
British
cool that'd be?
accent with a lift.
I think I sound more Irish.
British
Yo,
accent with a
I
lift.
think I
I'm
sound...
trying to talk in a British accent with a lift.
I want to talk in an Irish accent, yeah. I think it's good.
And his parents are, his dad is all Irish, 100%.
No.
Yeah, he was born in Ireland.
Are you from... Are you fully closer than me?
No, I am completely
It's not a
serious
rocking
now.
matter, yeah.
You don't say yeah. You're not from Jamaica, man.
I don't care.
She don't care, man. Yeah.
Yeah.
British accent, yeah. No.
It's Swedish, yeah.
Swedish, yeah.
Oh, German. It's
Swedish.
German.
It's
It's
no,
German,
it's
yeah.
Swedish.
No.
Swedish.
Errangg. My Errangg. My Errangg fell. The world's gonna end because my Errangg fell.
Oh my god, you're Errangg.
See, I told you this video would get rid of my hiccups.
Oh yeah.
Actually, I didn't tell you, but it was in my mind.
It was in her mind. In her mind.
Does anybody out there listen to Bob Marley?
Bob Marley. Don't worry.
There was a part of America.
No woman, don't cry.
Oh, that's like one of my favorites.
I like that song. I like that song a lot.
So
Three little birds. So I don't remember that song. I just remember three little birds. Yeah.
Sing, don't worry. Oh my gosh.
About a thing.
Remember? We made a video just like this.
'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Nah.
So rebel your
eyes wide. Every
in the
singing.
heart of America. Bob Marley.
Heart of America?
So
America.
rebel, so
I
rebel,
say
yeah.
America, you say NASCAR. America.
NASCAR.
America.
NASCAR.
America.
NASCAR.
America. NASCAR. America. America. NASCAR. Hot dogs. Yeah. Apple pie.
Baseball.
Baseball.
You know who
and
I'm in
apple
love
pie.
with?
Baseball.
Yeah, baseball players. Oh, shit.
I'm in love.
Like Scotty McCreery. Can you say
from American
freaking-
Idol?
I'm in love with him.
I don't know.
I want him to marry me. Scotty, if you watch this, you end up watching this. Like, I seriously, I don't look like this. I'm down to earth. I play softball. You would love me. We could get along so well, and you could sing me songs, and I could sing you songs, and you could laugh at me, and we could have a good time, and we could be good.
I like pie and soccer players. I play soccer. Soccer players are hot, except sometimes they're a little bit too skinny. My gosh.
You're right. They are really skinny.
Usually, cross country runners are so skinny.
Cross
Boys, if you run cross country, get some meat on them bones, okay? Okay?
Or muscles.
Scrawny
Muscles.
is not attractive.
But that's why they run cross country.
Scrawny is not attractive.
That's why they run cross
Scrawny
country.
is not attractive.
She is beating me up. She's like raping
Verbal
my ear.
abuse. Anyways, football players are also very attractive. Ow!
She just spoke. She did.
She stabbed me. She
It was
stabbed
her
me with
fault.
her fingernail. I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding.
There you are.
I think
It's all
I'm good.
her fault.
Golfers. Golf is not
She
a
was
sport.
a
I hate to bring up this
soldier.
controversial issue, but golfing is not a sport. It is
Golfing
not and
is
never
like
will be a
A
sport.
hobby.
It is a hobby for
pastime.
old white men. That is
And
what
Matt.
golfing is. And Matt.
Mitch.
I don't know who that is.
Yes, you
But
do. You guys don't know who that is.
you don't know. But golfing is not a sport.
Right.
Neither is bowling. Neither.
Hey,
Neither is
bowling. Don't hate.
Bowling
I used
is
to bowl
not
when
a
I was
sport.
little.
Bowling is not a sport.
I used
It
to
is
bowl
a
when I
hobby.
was little.
It is a
On a
hobby.
team.
It is a hobby.
You're a hobby. It
I
was so
know.
much fun though. Whether it be a hobby or a sport, it's so much fun.
Bowling is fun. Fun, fun, fun. You know what
Gonna
else?
have fun, fun, fun,
It's
fun,
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 in the USA.
Sipping USA.
Ba-da-ba-dum-bum.
Ba-da-ba-bum.
Anyway, you know what is fun? You said what? You know what is fun?
You know what is fun?
What?
What? I don't know. Lots of stuff is fun, boys.
Boys are fun.
Boys are
Oh,
fun.
boys are fun.
Boys are fun.
You all know you got the boys. The boys, everyone's got the boys.
The boys.
The
High
boys,
school.
let me
There are
tell
so many
you.
boys in high school, and even more in college.
Let
Even more in
me
college. It's
tell you
great.
something.
Let me tell you something, girlfriend. What?
Shh. It's a secret. Just kidding.
Just kidding. We just
I
kidding.
love
What?
boys.
I love boys
Honestly?
too. Honestly.
Boys are like
They're so much fun.
addicting. Yeah, they're fun.
Whoa there. Oh
That's all
no.
coming from her.
You know.
She's done it all.
You know.
She's gone the whole way.
Wow.
Don't follow in her footsteps, ladies.
Don't follow my
Just
footsteps.
kidding.
Look
She's great.
look at this. Look at do you all look like this? No, I don't think so.
There was a buffalo soldier.
Anyways, I think
No
no more
shimmy,
no
shimmy,
cry.
shimmy,
I think we are done here. We will
yeah, because my
have
hiccups gonna tip up. I hiccup. The thing is, like, they make you go. The hiccups, they're gone. So
They're gone.
I'm happy now, and now it's time to go watch your other videos.
Yep.
So
You should watch them too because we are singing and and dancing and it's just great. Oh, and we don't actually have accents like that, but they're just
No.
really fun to talk
Yeah.
in.
Actually, she does. That's her accent right there. You see what she's talking
Do you
right
see
now?
what I'm talking in?
That's
This
an
is my accent. No, it's
It's
not an accent.
awesome.
It's not an accent. This is an accent. This is an accent. This is not an
I
accent.
like accents so much, y'all. That was like 3 different accents in one. You can't top me.
Anyways.
Bitch, get on top.
Whoa! We're gonna go now. Toodles!
Yeah.
Don't say toodles. Don't say it. Just say bye or peace or you know. Anyways, bye. Yeah. That's what's up. Peace. Peace to the brother.
Oh, just click the button.